Hi there, it's Dan here from DIY Gardening. In today's short video, I'm going to share with you 15 plants that I feel are perfect for the lazy gardener. That is those of you that want to have lots of colour, lots of vibrancy and lots of punch in your garden, but you don't want to be out every single day tending to your plants. Now these are all personal favourites of mine. I have grown these at least at some point in the past. So let's begin. Cranesbills, or hardy geraniums as they're often known, have been a straightforward addition to my garden. They've adapted well to various soil conditions. I've hardly ever had to water them. I certainly haven't had to put any fertilizer down, and they've needed generally minimal care throughout the summer. They offer vibrant colors with very little effort. I found lavender extremely easy to grow. It's low on the maintenance, it's resistant to pests, and adds a stunning visual and aromatic element to any garden from late spring into the summer. Hydrangea macrophylla has large eye-catching blooms that are easy to care for. They thrive in partial shade, and their colour-changing flowers always stand out in any garden. Coneflowers and Rebecchias have been another straightforward addition to my garden. They're low maintenance, attract pollinators, and their bright flowers add a lively touch to the garden borders. Fuchsias have been an impressive yet easy plant to grow. They prefer partial shade, and their unique flowers add a beautiful elegance. It's great for adding colour with minimal effort. Daffodils are one of the easiest bulbs to grow. Just plant them in a sunny spot and water occasionally until they're settled in. Their blight brooms are cheerful and a sign that spring is approaching. I've been growing alliums for a number of years, and they've always been hassle-free. These ornamental onions are drought tolerant, and their spherical blooms add a unique look to the garden. I've always considered ornamental grasses to be a simple choice for adding texture and movement to any garden. They're low maintenance and look great even in winter. Osteospermum, or African daisies as they're often known, thrive in sunny spots and are easy on water and fertilizer. Their colourful daisy-like flowers are visually striking and would look wonderful in almost any garden. Azaleas and rhododendrons have been low maintenance plants that I've grown for many years. They prefer acidic soil and a shady spot, and they offer spectacular blooms early in spring when other flowers are just getting going. Wallflowers have been an easy pick for borders or rock gardens. They need very little care, and their colourful fragrant blooms enliven the early spring garden. I've always considered viburnum to be a versatile and easy to grow plant. It flourishes in most soils with flowers and berries that provide year-round interest in the garden. Vigila has proven to be an easy care shrub for me. It's resilient in various conditions, and its flowers attract bees and add a lovely colour splash to the garden. Pentstemons have been an excellent addition to my garden over the years. They thrive with minimal fuss, handle various climates well, and their tubular flowers are a magnet for bees and hummingbirds. Their wide range of colours makes them versatile for any garden theme. Hostas have always been a little bit hit and miss for me. I've grown them in gardens before that haven't had issues with slugs and snails, and they've been a wonderful addition, providing ground cover under trees. However, they can be a magnet for those slimy pests, and probably best avoided if you live in a garden which is known to have historical issues with slugs and snails, as they absolutely love to feast on them. But if you're fortunate enough to live in an area that isn't pestered by these horrible animals, do consider hostas for ground cover in shade and under trees. So that's a wrap. That concludes my list of 15 plants that lazy gardeners can grow. I really hope that you enjoyed this list. I'd love to know what you think of it. Is there any in there that you agree with, disagree with? Do you think I've perhaps missed a few out that are really easy to grow and are great for beginners, or those that are just too busy to tend to their garden? If you've got a suggestion, do head down into the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit like and do subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this from me. All the best. Hopefully I will see you on the next video.